teacher. Hello, teacher.
Hello, potato. Hello, can you hear teacher? Hi. Okay, can you hear teacher? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes. How are you this evening, potato? How are you?
What?
How are you? You're good.
What?
Are you
Yeah.
good today? Oh, that's good to hear. You are feeling good today. Okay. That's the important thing. You are good this evening. So here, potato, I will share to you now the screen so we can now start with our lesson for this evening. Okay, potato, can you see the screen?
Yeah.
Yeah, what is our lesson for this evening? It's
Yeah. What?
there. What's the lesson?
Yeah. What?
Please read. What's the lesson?
Time. I don't know.
Okay, unit 19, there in the park. Okay, look at here. Let's have lesson 1 first. Now here,
Cycling.
potato, what's this? What is this? This is
Yeah.
cycling. Again,
Yes. Laughing.
this
Skating.
one.
Skating.
Skating.
Flying
This
kites.
one. What's this?
La.
Flying.
Okay.
What's this?
What?
What is this?
Flying kite.
Flying kite is correct.
Skipping.
Good. What's this?
Skipping.
Skipping.
Hop.
This one. What's this? Heart. Okay, correct. Now here, potato, I want you to look, listen, and repeat.
Are Nam and Gwen here?
Again.
Anam and one are here.
No, they aren't. They're in the
No,
park.
they are in the park.
Very good. This one. What's this?
What are they doing?
Again.
What are they doing?
They're skating.
They skating.
Okay. Okay, let's
What
see
are
here.
they doing? They're cycling.
Again, potato, what are they doing?
What are they doing? They are cycling.
Correct. This one,
No,
potato.
My booty.
Put in, no put in.
My
Now
baby boy. My baby boy.
Okay, potato, let's do letter B. Come on, letter B. What are they doing?
Wow. So baby boy. What?
Letter B. What are they doing?
What?
Go. Please read. What are they doing? Go.
What are they doing?
What is letter B? They're skating. Next, letter C. What are they doing? Letter C. Again.
Flying kite.
Flying kites. Letter D. What are they doing?
What?
Letter D, potato. Look at picture D. What are they doing? Letter D.
What?
Letter D. This one. Look at the two girls. What are they doing? They're what is it? They're skipping again. Okay. Now here, let's do pronunciation. First, we have here the A sound. What is the sound? A again.
Rainy.
What's this? What's this potato? Raining again. Potato, say raining.
Raining.
Nail.
One.
Right.
Nail again.
Nail.
Okay.
Mail.
This one.
Mail.
Mail. Okay. Potato. Do you know what is raining? You know what is raining? Hello.
Hello.
Okay, potato, do you know what is raining?
No.
You know, you don't know raining?
Là mưa.
Oh, raining. There's a droplets of water from the sky, raining. Next, second picture, potato, nail. Can you show me your nail? Where is potato's nail? Where is your nail, potato?
Đây là gì mẹ?
Show me your nail. Where is it?
Đây là cái
Nail, like this. Your nail. Again, show me your nail. Where's your nail? Potato, can you show me your nail? This one is a nail. Again?
nail.
Okay.
Đây.
Yeah, nail is found in our fingers. Nail. Next, mail. Again, please read. Mail.
Nail. 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 Nail.
Oh, mail. Okay. Now here, let's have this. Okay, we have the A
Late.
sound. We have late. Again,
Hate.
this one. Potato, hate.
Hey.
Okay, this one.
Classmate.
Potato, classmate. Again,
What?
come on, classmate.
Last name.
Okay, next. Here, let's talk about here, potato. Potato, what are they doing? Number one.
What? I don't know.
Look at number one. What are they doing?
Right up back.
Okay, they're cycling.
They are flying.
They are cycling.
Flying.
Come on, they are cycling.
They are flying.
Oh, letter B. Look at letter B, potato.
Yeah.
Okay, B. What are they doing? Letter B.
I don't know.
They are skating. Again.
Then B.
Yeah, B. They are skating.
No, letter B. It's one,
Oh,
two, three,
Number two. Sorry. Number two, potato. What are they doing? Number two.
They are skating.
Okay, they are skating. How about potato? Number three. What are they doing? Number three. Potato, number three. What are they doing? Number three.
Lay off. Lay off đá bóng.
Come on.
Play
They are
football.
playing the ball. Okay, next.
No.
What
They
is it?
are playing the ball.
Very good. They are playing the ball. Next. Oh, potato, remove the color. I cannot see. Potato, what are they doing? Number 4.
They fly a kite.
They're flying a kite. Correct. Potato, number 5. What are they doing?
I don't know.
Look at it. They are sliding.
They are flying.
Sliding, number 5.
They are flying.
Okay, next. Potato. What are they doing? Number 6.
Skipping.
They are skipping. Okay, they are skipping. Okay, listen. Potato, listen and take the picture, okay?
1.
Where are Nam and Gwyn?
They're in the park.
What are they doing there?
They're flying kites with their
Okay, where is Potato? Where is the friend? They are in the park and they're flying kites. Which one there is flying kites? A or B? Listen again. Potato, listen again.
Are Nam and Gwyn?
Listen.
They're in the park.
What are they doing there?
They're flying kites with their friends.
Okay, where is it?
Me. You don't know?
Where is it? Very good. Okay. Next, number 2. Done? Listen to number 2. Oh, you put a tick. Put a tick. Not circle. Put a tick. Okay. Number 2. Listen, number 2.
2.
Where are the girls?
They're in the park.
What are they doing there?
They're skipping.
Okay, where is it, Potato? They're skipping. Okay, there you go. Let's check. Oh, very good. Look at here, Potato. Oh, very good. Letter B is playing flying kites. Next, number 2. Letter A, skipping. Very good because you understand the audio that you have listened. Okay, now Potato, I want you to read the given paragraph. This one is just a short paragraph and I want you to read it. So, my name is Pong. So, please read, Potato. Go now, please read.
My name is from today. I am part my friends.
Again, read properly. We are doing sports.
Private loan. My Việt Nam and Quan are keep my friend my second name and Quan are flying kite are very happy.
We are happy in the park. Okay, listen. Potato, don't write anything. Don't write anything. You will not understand it if you keep on drawing anything. Can you remove your drawing, please? Can you remove your drawing?
Yes.
So, remove your drawing. Very good. Now here, listen. My name is Fong. Today, I am in the park with my friends. We are doing sports and playing games. Some of the boys and I are playing football. Some of the girls are skipping. My friends, Mai is cycling. Nam and Juan are flying kites. We are happy in the park. Now here, potato number 1. Let's try to complete sentence 1. The children are in blank. Where's the children? Where are they? The children are, where's the children?
I don't know.
You
Wait,
read.
Let me, children. My friend is children, Nam and Kwan of fire and kite. We are happy in the park.
Okay, look at potato. The children are in blank. Where are they?
Children are in class. I don't know.
Uy. Come on. The children are in the, where are they? Are they in the house? Are they playing in the house? Potato. Where are the children?
Don't. I don't see children.
Here. Where are they? Where are they? Are they in the house? In the school?
No, I don't see some children.
Children are in the, oh, you read.
No.
Potato, you read this. You read the first line. Come on, read. Oh, you read all. That one. Go. My name is.
I am Tom. Today I am in the park with my friends.
Okay, where are the children? They are in the.
I don't know.
It's there from the store, from the sentence you read. They are in the, where? Read
I don't
again.
know.
My name, go. My name is Paul.
I'm in the park with my friends. Don't no children.
Okay. Oh, friends and Fong are children.
What?
Fong and friends are children.
Children are in. I don't know.
Look at you. Oh, my name is Fong. Today, I am in the park with my friends. Where are they? They are in the?
In the park.
Very good. Right there in the park. Right.
I don't write in iPad.
Ah, you cannot write in the iPad. Okay, teacher will write in the park. Okay, next. Number 2. Okay, potato. Some of the boys are blank. What are the boys doing? What are they playing?
Play football.
All right. Right. Football.
I don't write football. iPad. I don't write football. I don't write in iPad.
Okay, number 3. Read number 3. Some.
Girl is skipping.
Okay. Skipping. Okay. All right. Next, number 4. My is
My is cycle. Nam and Kwan are flying kite.
okay. My is cycling. Nam and Kwan are flying kites. Okay, there you go. Potato. Read number 1, Potato. The children.
The children in park. Some of the boys are football. Some of the girls are skipping. My is flying. Flying.
Next.
Now and quiet. Now and calm. All flying kite.
Okay. Let's check. Number 1, the children are in the park, correct? Some of the boys are playing football, correct? 3, some of the girls are skipping, correct? My is cycling, correct? Nam and Kwan are flying kites. Very good. Perfectly answered, Potato. Great work. Okay, wait me. Potato, you enter again to the Zoom class, Potato, because my Zoom will close. Okay, Potato, enter again.
Wait,